In previous lecture, we saw some definitions: T0 space, T1 space, T2 space, that is Hausdorff space, regular space, T3 space, completely regular space, T3 1 by 2, that is Tiknov space, normal space, and T4 space. Now we will see some examples and result on definitions. For first, we know some concepts. That is, for topological space, X is any set, that is non-empty set, and tau is topology on X. That is, tau is collection of some subsets of X. Then every element of T is called open set of X. For example, X is set of 3 points, that is non-empty set. Tau equal to set of some subsets of X. Here tau equal to empty set of empty set, singleton set A, singleton set B, 2-point set AB, and X. Here element of tau is called open set, therefore element of tau are empty set, singleton set A, singleton set B, 2-point set AB, and X are open sets of X. Now open set and neighborhood, these two definitions are equivalent, therefore definition of neighborhood is, in topological space X, U is called neighborhood of X if there is open set V of X such that X belongs to V is subset of U. Here V must be open and which is mediator of X and U. That is, this U is in topological space X. This U is called open the neighborhood of X. That is, U is called neighborhood of point X if here mediator of U and X are open set V. Now first definition, T0 space. A topological space X is said to be T0 space whenever X and Y are two distinct points in X, there is an open set containing one, not the other. That is, in diagram here, topological space X, there are two distinct points X and Y. There is one open set containing one point but not the other. That is, G is open set of X such that X belongs to G but Y does not belong to G. Or another case is, that is, Y belongs to G and X does not belong to G. Now some definitions on some examples on T0 space. We know that is trivial topology, trivial topological space, discrete topological space, and usual topological space. That is, if X equal to set of points, 2 points A, B, and here tau is collection of some subsets of X. Here when tau is phi and X, that is only set of phi and X, then it is called trivial topology on X. And when, suppose this is tau 1, when tau 2 is set of power set of X, power set, that is all possible, that is collection of all possible subsets of X, that is here phi singleton set A, singleton set B, 2-point set AB, that is X. This is power set of X, and this tau 2 is called discrete topology on X. Sometimes this trivial topology, second name is indiscrete topology on X, and for discrete topology another name is non-trivial topology. Non-trivial topology, that is discrete topology is nothing but non-trivial topology. And indiscrete topology is nothing but trivial topology on X. Now here if X equal to AB, then this trivial topology is tau equal to phi and X, and for discrete topology tau equal to power set of X, that is all possible subsets of X. Now usual topology, that is topology on real numbers, is nothing but usual topology. Space. Now examples of T-naught space. A trivial topology on X more than one point is not T-naught. That is, trivial topology on X tau equal to set of empty set and X, and if X is 2-point set, then for two distinct points AB belongs to X, that is AB of this X. Here only one open set X containing both A and B, but definition of T-naught is, that is, there is only open set containing one but not the other, and therefore this trivial topology is not T-naught space. And now this trivial topology's another name is indiscrete topology. Indiscrete topology. Now again, for example of discrete topological space. Now discrete topological space is T-naught space, and now the difference between pseudometric and metric are purely topological. In fact, a pseudometric row on X is a matrix if and only if the topology it generates is T-naught. Now some examples again. Every matrix space is T-naught space. Every matrix space is T-naught space. Now a topological space consisting 2 points A and B with topology T equal to phi X and A is T-naught space. Third example is, that is for usual topology, which is T-naught space. Here tau is topology on R whose members are phi, R, and all sets from the of the form A to open set A to infinity. And in space of X, space R, X and Y belongs to R with X less than Y. There exists open set containing Y but not the X. That is for the interval 0 to X to infinity, although there exists no open set which contains X but Y, hence R tau is T-naught space. Next example is a topological space with discrete topology is T-naught space. Since xy belongs to X, then singleton set X contains X is open set but does not contains Y. Therefore this discrete topology is T-naught space. Discrete topology's another name is, that is non-trivial topological space. Next example is, that is indiscrete topology, that is we seen it, that is trivial topology is not T-naught. And here next again example, that is with 0 to 1, that is set of real numbers between 0 to 1, this is T-naught space. Now one result is there, if tau and tau star be two topologies on X, that is x tau and x tau star be topology on same set X, and here x tau is T-naught space, and relation between tau and tau star is, that is tau is subset of tau star that is tau star is superset of tau, then x tau star is T naught space. That is when for two topologies tau and tau star, if tau is subset of tau star or tau star is superset of T naught space tau, then tau star is also T naught space. That is, this remark is, let tau and tau star be two topologies defined on same set X, and if x tau is T naught space and tau is subset of tau star or tau star is superset of tau, then x tau star is also T naught space. Now next definition of T1 space. A topological space X is T1 space if whenever x and y are two distinct points in X, there is a neighborhood of each not containing the other. That is, for this, here we draw diagram. That is topological space. In topological space X, there are two distinct points x and y, and of X, and there are two open sets G and H containing one but not the other. That is, X belongs to G but Y does not belongs to G, and Y belongs to H but X does not belongs to H. Then this X is called T1 space. There is example. That is again for trivial topology, non-trivial, that is indiscrete and discrete topology. That is, trivial topology space is not T1 space. Trivial topology is another name is indiscrete topology. That is, this is not T1 space, but discrete topology space is T1 space. Another name of discrete topological space is non-trivial topology. Topological space. And here for this trivial topological space is not T1 space, this X must be, that is, set with more than one points. More than one point. Then this results, that is, trivial is not T1 but discrete topology is T1 space. Another usual topology. Usual topological space is T1 space. Now relation between T0 and T1. Relation between T0 and T1. Here every T1 space is T0 but converse is not true. That is, for example, if X equal to AB with topology consisting of open sets phi A and X, this we know this is T0 space, but which is not T1 space, that is converse is not true. Now some results related to T0 and T1 space, that is results for subspace, product space, quotient space. That is, subspace of T0 space is T0. Any subspace of T1 space is T1 space. And next for product space of T0 space is again T0, and another product space, non-empty product space of T1 space is T1 space. For quotient space, that is, quotient space need not be T0, but quotient space of T1 space need not be T0, and this quotient space of closed images of T1 space is T1. That is, for T1, again for T1 space there must be condition of closed image. That is, combinedly we see the result on T0 space and T1 space. Any subspace of T naught or T1 space is respectively T naught or T1. Second, any non-empty products is T naught is T naught or T1 if and only each factor space respectively is respectively T naught and T1. That is, product space is T naught space if and only if its factor space is T naught, and non-empty product space T1 space is T1 if and only if each factor space is T1 space. Third result is, that is, quotient space need not be T naught. Another result, quotient space of T1 space need not be T naught. And next result, quotient space close image of the T1 space is T1. And fourth result is like